Hello everyone, this is Bilal and today I'm going to show you how to create glass material in Blender 4.3. It's really simple. It almost took me like 3 days to figure out how to do it, which is really simple. The first thing that you want to do, or I personally like to do, is creating a scene. So the first thing that you want to do, press Shift A and press plane, and then go ahead and press S and just move your mouse upper, and then now we want to go to the object mode, so just press tab, and then I like to create walls, so just press C, choose your vertices. I like to choose like the 3 outer vertices, and just press E, and then you can just move it with your mouse, but however it's not gonna be aligned correctly. So what I like to do is just press on the mouse, or it's already there, and it will just move it up with the arrows. So now we're actually in the, what's it called, the solid mode, and I like to go to the material mode so I can see how my material would look like. So just press so sorry just go ahead and press Z, and then you will get this 4 options, and just press rendered. Now we're in the rendered mode, and then we are currently in the walls object, or the scene object. So if you want to just get out of it, just press tab, and then now we're out of it and we want to create a new object. So go ahead and press Shift A, and then let's say I want to create a cube. Same thing, I want to get it up, press the arrows, get it up there, and then I want to go to the box mode, so just press shift, and now we're in this box mode. So the first thing that you want to create on a glass material is go ahead and go to the material, press a new one, and call it glass material. Now we just go like to the first thing that you want to do for the glass material is lower the roughness to 0. Go to the transmission below right here, and make it all the way to 1.0, sorry, and then lastly you just want to lower the alpha to, I would say, 0.25, or you can just press it 0.25 and press enter. And now, congratulations, you have your first glass material in Blender 4.3, and so that's how it looked like. If you can see that I cannot press that, it's because this is in material mode and I cannot just press something on the back. So we can just do is press Z, go to wireframe, and now you can press it like on the back. And I want to make it thin, just move it all the way here, and go back to Blender mode. Now you have your first glass material, and let's just extrude it, and yeah, now you have your first glass material. And if you want to make it, I would say, a little crystal looking, just go ahead and increase your alpha up to 0.75, or you can just write it 0.75, and then just change the color of it. And yeah, so now you have your first glass material. Thank you for watching, and if you have any concern, just leave in the comment section and let me know, and I'll try my best to reply and help you out if you have any issue. Alright, thank you.